Brati I sestra živeli, brothers and sisters, to life.
This is the beginning of making Serbian Strudel. Apple. Let's make some Serbian apple strudel. I first start off by taking the ends off. Sort of makes it easier for me to do the sides. Take these ends and get down on it a little bit. So now when you do the sides, it's just easy to do. I used to watch my grandmother do this, and I would help her from the age of 3 again. I remember on Klinger Street in Detroit, we would make apple strudel, also cheese, and voila. And when you're done, instead of throwing away your peels, use it as compost and fertilizer. Put it into your grow. That garden will grow taller and taller. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And you utilize it and recycle. Once you have peeled, use this cool tool. Bingo. Voila.
Brothers and sisters, to life.
The job is done. You could cut away the little cores where the seeds are. At the end. Once they're all cored, then I slice them into small pieces. Little pieces. Bingo. Now that the apples are cut and sliced, I am going to prepare the spice, which is sugar and cinnamon, to put with the apples inside the strudel. Okay, now I'll put about a cup of sugar. I'll be putting it from this into the strudel, so I might not even use all of this. But here we go. Sugar and then cinnamon. A couple teaspoons, tablespoons. Boom. Then just mix it up. And as you can see, it has darkened this raw sugar. We use raw sugar, it's more healthier. Boom. So now I am going to prepare some butter. Now we are melting our butter, so we can put that onto the phyllo dough before we put the apples on. Now we're resuming with our Serbian apple strudel. I oil the pan. I set it here. I have a cloth prepped and my strudel dough is in here. This top is lightly damp cloth to keep the phyllo dough from getting too brittle. A little butter, melted butter, I am putting a few layers first before I start with the filling. So we have a strong base. So now I have 4 layers of phyllo dough, and next I will take some apples and spread it through. I'm going to roll this, so it doesn't need to be full everywhere because we're rolling it. Make sure you have some at the edge. And then, you remember, we have some of our sugar and cinnamon, which we sprinkle in here, according to taste. Another layer.
Brati i sestra živeli, brothers and sisters, to life!
More sugar and cinnamon. Give it a little sprinkle of butter. This is Cosmic Boogie Serbian Strudel. Handed down from the Bukovic Petrovic Serbian family. Now, the magic happens where I am going to roll it. And roll. Now I take it and place it on the pan. And here you go. There's one. Once you have it all folded up, then put a little butter on top, on the ends. And then I sprinkle a little cinnamon sugar up on top of that. Then once it's baked, we're going to put powdered sugar up on top of that. And yes, you could be totally strictly healthy and not use any sugar. Well, we're having a party. And as you can see, we have 3 fine strudels here that we are totally going to enjoy. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, God bless this strudel. Oh, strudel is in, and we will cook it till it's golden brown. Looking good, not quite ready. And the strudel is done. Now all we have to do is put some powdered sugar on it.
Now I just sprinkled it with a little bit of powdered sugar.
Now we have our presentation on the right dish with the Serbian strudel.